Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and as you can probably tell from my non-branded background, I'm not at home in my usual home studio today. I've been traveling a lot this year and I intend to travel a whole lot more in the coming year, so I thought it was high time to tell you about one of my favorite cannabis travel accessories, and that is the Happy Kit. But before I get to the Happy Kit, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And before I talk about the Happy Kit here, I also want to make you aware that the folks that make the Happy Kit also make a Happy Kit for dabbers. That's right, everything you need to dab on the go is in this tiny little kit. Now, I'm going to do a separate video on this as soon as I get my hands on some concentrate, or as soon as I dig out the rosin bomb rosin press and make some concentrate. So we'll do a separate video on that at another time. But today I want to talk about the Happy Kit for cannabis smokers. Now, this is a great kit to have for yourself, but it also makes a wonderful gift item for anybody that loves cannabis, and it's relatively inexpensive. So what is it? It's everything a cannabis smoker needs to smoke cannabis, either by themselves or with friends, contained in one handy little travel kit. It's really great. So let's take a look at what's inside. But before I get to that, one of my favorite things about the Happy Kit is the case itself. This thing is tough. I mean, really almost indestructible. It is really well made, and it has a sealing zipper around it, and that is because it is also odor proof and smell proof. So that sealing zipper is really important, and odor control is often an issue when you're traveling with Mary Jane. Now, this little kit, you don't even have to be taking a long trip. It's even good for day trips or anytime you're out and about for a few hours. Everything you need is in here. No more looking, where's my pipe, where's my rolling papers? Everything that you need to smoke weed is right inside. And I said it's everything you need either by yourself or with friends, because if you're by yourself, there's this handy little one-hitter cigarette-style pipe. You just put a hit of weed in the end, fire it up, and you're good to go. Now, if you're with friends, comes with a pack of rolling papers and also a doob tube in case you want to prepare ahead of time. You can have a pre-roll in there. Inside the doob tube is also a little metal poker. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe if I hold it against my black shirt. That's great for cleaning out the one-hitter pipe, and also for the small glass pipe that is included. So if you prefer to smoke out of glass, there's a glass pipe there too. Also included, and this is really handy, is a small plastic grinder. Now, I will admit, at home I've got a fancy grinder with a keep screen and interchangeable plates for different grinding consistencies. This is a very simple grinder, but I gotta be honest, for the pure functionality of just grinding your cannabis, these little plastic grinders work exceptionally well, so they're really great. Also included in this kit, velcroed in, as you can hear, is a small zippered pouch, and this is great for keeping a small stash, and it is also smell proof, so it goes right inside there. So the folks that made the Happy Kit have thought about almost everything, and I do say almost because they forgot one of the most important things that any cannabis smoker needs, and that is a way to fire it up. The kit does not come with a lighter, and I suspect that's probably due to the fact that there's restrictions on shipping hazardous materials, lighter fluid, things like that. I'm just guessing. No matter, if you get this kit for yourself or you're going to give it as a gift, you can just slip a little lighter in there. There's plenty of room for it. It still closes and zips very easily, and you've still got everything you need to smoke weed in one handy place on the go. Check out the comments below. I don't have a coupon code as I'm taping this, but I hope to have a coupon code before we go to press, so that will be posted in the comments below. Check it out, the Happy Kit. See you next time.